Tonight after a lawsuit filed by state and national Republican leaders called North Carolina's elections process into question. The suit alleges failures by the state board of elections by allowing nearly 250,000 people to register to vote without proving their identity. Their claims that the board says are based on a skewed version of the facts. WCNC Charlotte's Kaylin Hagwood has been speaking with analysts along with both parties in this case and joins us now live in studio. Kaylin, what are they telling you?
Well, Republicans claim that hundreds of thousands of North Carolinians may not have followed the right process when registering to vote, and they're hoping to see those registrations revoked. But the State Board of Elections says those claims are based on misunderstood data.
As the race to the White House heats up on the campaign trail, another challenge is brewing behind the scenes. The Republican National Committee filing multiple lawsuits in key swing states across the country, including Michigan, Nevada, and North Carolina, questioning the elections process and pushing election officials to remove voters from the rolls.
This is somewhat of a scare job, when in fact I think the reality is that, we're talking about a very, very infinitesimally small number of people that'll be a problem.
The new North Carolina suit filed Monday claims nearly 250,000 people may have been allowed to register to vote in the state without proving their identity because of an error they say was made by the board. RNC Chairman Michael Whatley adding in a statement in part, quote, "The board has once again failed its mandate to keep non-citizens off the voter rolls, fueling distrust and jeopardizing our elections." But the board says the lawsuit misunderstands and vastly overstates any possible issues, adding in a statement, in part, quote, "Even if voters failed to provide either their driver's license or last 4 digits of their social security numbers when they registered, those voters would have been required to show another type of ID before voting."
It's too close. So I think it is, something, again, to create confusion.
Well, if a judge does rule in favor of Republicans here, that judge could potentially order the state to revoke all of those voter registrations, something the board says could violate federal law. Nick?
All right. Thank you for that report, Kaylin.